Hello subscribers. We'll come back to our YouTube channel Ships in Port. Today's news is as collision at Valdez Maritne Terminal, Alaska. An accident involving crude oil tanker and tug took place at Valdez Oil Terminal, Alaska, on Jan 11, details of an accident having been released on Jan 19. Crude oil tanker Polar Endeavor was about to leave terminal after she completed oil loading, when she was struck by maneuvering tug Courageous, after the tug suddenly went out of control. Tanker sustained a 0.6-meter-long gash above waterline. Tug also suffered damages. One of tug crew was slightly injured. Tanker remained at Valdez to carry out repairs. She was cleared to go on Jan 18, port of destination Long Beach.